Happy holidays, everyone! We're back with our annual Monster Truck Christmas Invitational.
We've got 8 drivers who have been invited to race their custom monster trucks here at the trail.
And this year is quite special, as we've got 3 past tournament champions ready to audition to become Santa's new sled builder.
And Santa's even here today.
Wait, what? Yeah, he's over there looking at the trucks right now. Isn't he supposed to be doing a job or something? Buddy, he's magic. And besides, we pre-taped this anyways.
This event was such a blast last year that we decided to do it all over again. So let's see who's been putting NOS in their nug and graphite in their gingerbread. Here are this year's teams and drivers.
This driver knows this track very well, as he's a multiple tournament champion at the trail. Dusty Miles from Milestone Racing is driving the Mean One. Is that like a Grinch reference? Would you rather me call it the Green Foot? No, that's terrible. Okay then, name what it is. Driver 2 hails all the way from Luxembourg. Laura will represent Neckel Racing in her truck named Shill the Destroyer. That name is not really very festive. Yeah, but look at the paint scheme. I'm so full of confusion right now. It's a European thing. You wouldn't understand. Driver number 3 is our most recent champion. James Ironbeard is back in his blue truck called the Winter Warlock. I hear he's named it after the old movie Santa Claus is Coming to Town. Oh, that's one of those old stop-motion animation classics, man. I love those movies. Driver number 4 is a fellow Canucker from just up the highway. It's Variat from Variat Skunk Works in Secondhand Candy. I hear if you lick it, it tastes salty. Don't lick the truck. I wasn't suggesting. I was just saying. Driver 5 hails from the great state of Colorado and looks to take the trail by storm. It's a Pocket the Death from Raw Sun God Racing. Ooh, I know what that is. What is? The cannon on top. It's one of those Gatling Christmas lights from the Grinch movie. Holy smokes, with that kind of equipment, Rudolph better watch his 6. And speaking of 6, driver 6 is Cinder Foley from the Spirit of 64, driving her lovely smelling cider and tart truck. I hear she makes a pretty mean hot toddy. Well, these trucks do run on methanol. Randy also tells me she smells of cinnamon and WD-40. $10 says her special ingredient is graphite. Up next, as driver number 7, it's the man himself, Puff from Puff's Racing. He's driving a heavily modified Jeep Wrangler named Buddy. That's another great movie reference. Actually, it says here that it's because of the fact that we Canadians say buddy a lot in conversations. Well, that's just not true, bud. You know what? Don't bug me right now, okay, buddy? And last but not least, in the 8th position, rounding out the bracket from OK Plumbing, it's the Wet Bandits. Actually, it's Grumpy Cloud Racing. What? But it says right there on the van, plumbing and heating. I bet their prices are so low, they're criminal. Those are literally like the thieves from Home Alone. I'm sure they just want to make sure that everybody stays warm and dry for the holidays.
We're gonna line them up side by side for a best-of-3 drag race to the finish. The first to win 2 races moves on, except for the finals where it's a best-of-5.
That's enough from us. Shall we get this thing started? Santa, want to do the honors?
Ho, 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 thanks, 905. Let's go up to the top of the trail for race 1 of our first matchup.
Kicking off the festivities is Puff from Puff's Racing and Buddy taking on the Wet Bandits from Grumpy Cloud Racing.
Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Time for parties and celebration. People dancing all night long. Time for presents and exchanging kisses. Time for singing Christmas songs. We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find that girl underneath the mistletoe. We'll kiss by candlelight. The room is swaying. Records
And just like that, the Wet Bandits steal 2 from Puff right out of the gate, moving on to the next round.
all I wish that
Up next, we've got Variat's Candy Striper going up against the two-time champion at the trail, Dusty Miles.
We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find that girl underneath the mistletoe. We'll kiss by candlelight. Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Yeah, Merry Christmas, everyone. Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. And so we'll drive as fast as we can go through the black night, black ice and all snow, until we see some street signs and we know we're coming home. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a happy new year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy new year. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Whew, took a little work for Dusty to get that one done, but he puts Variat away and moves on to the next round.
Matchup number 3 sees a Pocket of Death and her Gatling gun going up against Cinder Foley and her cider truck.
Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. What you been longing for? All I want for Christmas is a rock and roll electric guitar. And then a win-win Rudolph whizzing like a shooting star. I see the run, Rudolph, Santa's gotta make it to town. Santa make him hurry, tell him he can take the freeway down.
A Pocket of Death shuts down Cinder Ciders to claim her spot in the next round.
The final matchup for round 1 sees our latest champion, James Ironbeard, going up against Laura, the lady from Luxembourg.
telling he can take the freeway down. I see the run, Rudolph, reeling like a merry-go-round. Yeah, I see the run, Rudolph, Santa's gotta make it to town. The Santa made him hurry, telling he can take the freeway down. I see the run.
Talk about close. James Ironbeard needed to throw out some theatrics in order to punch his ticket into the next round.
So what do you think about that, Santa?
Oh, holy cow, that was quite the finish. All these drivers definitely on my nice list. And speaking of lists, how about you tell old St. Nick what's on your Christmas list this year?
Really?
Oh, sweet. All right. Why don't you go first, Indy?
Well, Santa, it's been a long year, but I would like to be driving again soon in the Frozen 4-banger. What do you want, Ajax?
Oh, snap. Well, if Santa could help me out with building another track, I wouldn't say no to the help. 905?
Buddy, if there's one thing I could wish for, it would be to know the secret to what makes Blue Line so fast.
Oh. I'll see what I can do, but some secrets aren't meant to be shared.
Yeah, it was worth a shot.
How about you get back to the racing now, as I'm gonna go see Cinder about some milk and cookies?
You got it, Santa. The second round kicks off with the Wet Bandits versus a Pocket of Death. Winner moves on to the finals. Let's go up to the top of the trail for race 1.
Buddy, you just got home alone right over into the abyss. It's a good thing we learned from last year. Think I might call this truck Ned Munson. Maybe I'll call Josh for some decals.
And just like Kevin McAllister, a Pocket of Death shows the Wet Bandits what's what. She moves into the finals for a chance for a brand new shiny crown.
And here we go for semi-final number 2. It's James Ironbeard versus Dusty Miles to see who joins a Pocket of Death. Let's go up to the top of the trail for race 1.
And James Ironbeard keeps the streak alive, and he's moving on to the next round to face a Pocket the Death in the finals.
Ho, 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 now you two have put on quite the show. Now, I'm expecting a clean final, but regardless of who wins, I'll make sure both of you get something extra special in your stockings after the race.
This should be good. We've got our current reigning champion, James Ironbeard, going up against a Pocket the Death. This race is a best of 5, so let's go up to the top of the trail and get the finals underway.
Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold. Ding dong, ding dong, this is the song with joyful ring, all caroling. One seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they bow, raising the sound. Oh, hill and dale, telling their tale. Gaily they ring, while people sing, songs of good cheer. Christmas is here, merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Autumn they say, on without end, their joyful tones to every home. Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold. Ding dong, ding dong, this is the song with joyful ring, all caroling. One seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they bow, raising the sound. Oh, hill and dale, telling their tale. Gaily they ring, while people sing, songs of good cheer. Christmas is here, merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Autumn they say, on without end, their joyful tones to every home. Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold. Ding dong, ding dong, this is the song with joyful ring, all caroling. One seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they bow, raising the sound. Oh, hill and dale, telling their tale. Gaily they ring, while people sing, songs of good cheer. Christmas is here, merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Autumn they say, on without end, their joyful tones to every home. Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away.
And with an incredible comeback, James Ironbeard secures his crown as the new King of Christmas.
Ho, 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 congratulations, James. You have truly demonstrated what the Wizard of Ice and Snow can do. I expect you to punch in early to start work on my new sleigh come Monday morning.
Oh, snap, I didn't think he was serious about that. I thought that was just a joke we were doing.
I don't think that was in the contract.
Well, now you've done it, cause, Santa's magic, right?
That was something you probably should have explained in the rules before sign up.
Well, in any case, you won't have to worry about James Ironbeard anymore because he's going to be working for Santa. That's it for this year. Thank you so much. It's been so much fun bringing all this stuff to you. We look forward to an incredible 2025. RedlineDerby.com if you want to get in on any of the races that you see happening anywhere across the Diecast Racing universe. That's it from us from the Elevation Trail. On behalf of everybody here, Merry Christmas and have a great, happy, safe New Year. So, what are you guys getting?
I was thinking of trying the graphite cider.
Does that say that she's got Granny's muffins there?
Well, I'm definitely going to try the hot Arlo. It's like a hot toddy, but different.